Hi there everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you how to make a YouTube banner on Canva. So let's get started. So first thing first, let me just open up the YouTube channel of mine, and from here you can see the YouTube channel art, or you can say the YouTube banner. So this YouTube banner aspect ratio is like this into the desktop, but when you open the same YouTube channel into the mobile phone, then it will change the aspect ratio. Like you can see only this part, okay. After that, if you just open the same YouTube channel in the tablet, the aspect ratio will change again. So the YouTube banner needs to be flexible. In this video I will show you exactly that, how you can make a perfect looking YouTube channel art or YouTube banner on Canva. So let's get started. First of all, from the Canva, from here you will see the search button. So from here you need to search for YouTube banner. Search for YouTube banner, and it will show you exactly this into the Canva. So you need to select the YouTube banner from here, and from here, as you can see, there are lots of templates right over here. You can simply use these templates into your design, but first of all you need to adjust the safe area, or you can say we first need to make sure the aspect ratio for all of the devices. So thing first, what you can simply do, go with the create a blank YouTube banner. All right, as you can see, here we are. After that, what you can simply do, go to the google.com or into the Google site and search for YouTube channel art safe area. Search for it, just search for it into the Google, and then go with the image, and from here you will see different types of channel art safe areas, but what you can do is to go with this. All right, here you will see something like this, and also this will work. So I will go with this, and simply you can just copy image and paste it right into the canvas of your Canva, then adjust it. All right, let's just start adjust it like this, and then what you can simply do is to go to the file, and then from the settings you will see show ruler and guides. You need to enable that, and now there are rulers right in front of you. So let's just drag a ruler to make sure the safe area does work. So first drag it up like this. All right, then again one from here. Just make sure to have this, because you will need this in the future when you add a template. All right, so like this, and from the upper side we need to drag it down once again also drag it down like this. All right guys, so now as you can see, we got this. So now if you just look at the safe areas, like in the middle, this area will be in desktop, minimum, and mobile phone. And so then from the tablet you will see this area, and from the desktop you will see all of the areas, but it will show from here to here. But in the TV you will see all of these. So now what you can simply do, go to the design to add a template. From my case, I will go with the technology, so search with the technology, or rather than that, also you can search with any of other templates as your niche. So I am from technology or tutorial niche, so I will search with the technology, and then from here there are lots of cool looking templates right over here. So let's just go with one of these. So as you can see guys, we got a template. So I will use this template into my timeline. So just press on it, and as you can see, we got this into my timeline. But the ruler is not satisfied with this option. So what's this, how we can just adjust it? First thing first, we need to adjust the text. So let's just change the text for real quick. Tutorial, type your channel, then new video every day. So I will go with the new video every day, and subscribe now. Then also I need to change this review solution. All right, then here is my tagline. But if we just zoomed in, as you can see, it is just getting over with the text and the shapes. So I will drag it down so that it fits, but it doesn't seem pretty good. So I will again drag it down. Then you can simply change the alignment. I will go with the change the alignment. And also, as you can see, if we just go with like this, then the text will be appeared half in the mobile phone, so I don't need that. So I will go with this into the sidebar. So let's just go into this here, just make it bigger, and from here I want this into my desktop to see everyone in the desktop rather than the mobile phone ones. So I will move these one into the segment of the desktop. So now we need to change this photo. So how you can do that? Again, just click on this and press on delete. Now you need to adjust it as your size, like this. Just adjust it. Make sure the ruler, everything inside the ruler. So make sure to put everything inside the ruler, and then just make it more adjustable. All right, then something from here. Now I need to add my channel logo here. Let's just add the channel logo here. Let's just upload my channel logo for here, then drag and drop into this. So then change the color. You can also change the color of the background by selecting the shape. And now we need to change the background color. So I will go with this, add a new color. Then with the pen icon, we can select the color we need. So I will go with this color. So I will select that. And now we can also change the text color from here. So selecting the text, after that we need to select the text color. Then I will make it white to look it better. So as you can see, it already looks better. Then again, text color, I'm changing the text color like this. Then we can also change the background color. So by selecting this, and from here background color, we can change the background color like this. So this is how my channel looks right now. So now what you can simply do to upload it into your channel, simply just go with the share button, and from here you will see the download option. Just tap on the download, and you need to select the size as this. Just tap on the download. It will start downloading the templates. All right, let's just open the file and let's see. And as you can see, this is how my templates look like. So now let's just upload it into the YouTube channel for real quick. And then what you can simply do, just scroll it down until you find the customization section. Go to the customization, and from here you need to select the branding. And then as you can see, here is the banner image. So you need to select this upload option, then select the file. And now as you can see, viewable in all devices like your mobile phone and everywhere, you will see this portion. This is how it looks in the desktop. But if you just view in the TV, then the whole part will be appeared. That is what I'm talking about in first case. So after that, I can simply do tap on the done, and it will upload the file. And then just go with the publish, guys. Make sure to tap the publish, otherwise it won't show into your YouTube channel. So it will take some time to upload. And if you just go to the channel, and as you can see, this is how it looks into my YouTube channel. Rather than that, if you just go with the mobile phone, and as you can see, this is how it looks in the mobile phone after changing the aspect ratio. I think the design doesn't look that much good, but I have taught you how you can make a perfect looking YouTube banner on Canva that will look perfect in every devices. Just go and play with different types of templates, and you can make a better looking YouTube banner rather than me. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and have a very good day.